Greetings. Today is July 10th, and this is your COVID-19 update. The surrounding area continues to experience a dramatic rise in the number of new cases. Since our last report, there have been 149 new reported cases of coronavirus in Suwannee County, for a total of 710 cases since March. We too have experienced positive cases. We have had 2 employees from our home health department test positive for COVID-19, and 1 staff member in the Good Samaritan Center remains quarantined awaiting clearance from health officials. In regards to the employees at home health, we have worked with our local health officials on these cases. The employee wore their mask for all member contacts, so according to the health officials, the risk to the membership is minimal. Out of an abundance of caution, however, we have asked those members served by the employees to isolate for 10 days. Regretfully, I must also inform you, in a completely separate case, we have had our first member test positive for the virus. This case does not appear to be related to any known contact at ACV. The member is quarantined and will remain so until cleared by health officials. The member lives in an individual dwelling and does not reside in an apartment building. As the virus spreads and infects more and more people in this area, it is important that we do not let our guard down. We must continue to follow the guidelines that have been stressed. Wear a mask when around others, maintain appropriate distances, wash your hands often, and clean surfaces with a disinfectant. Also, the risk in the surrounding community has increased, so please limit your travels off campus. If you must go out, please follow the guidelines. At the present time, we do not have plans to scale back the services that have been reopened. The Village Barbershop, however, is adjusting their hours, so for their new hours and for the schedules for all programs and activities, please consult your Friendly Neighbor News. Remember, to participate in any village activities, you must follow the restrictions that are in place. If you are uncomfortable being out, please do not feel compelled to take part. Likewise, if you exhibit any symptoms of coronavirus, stay home and immediately call your healthcare provider, then your service coordinator. The community remains closed to non-members. And now for some positive news. As mentioned in my last update, the state of Florida has mandated that all nursing homes and assisted living facilities staff be tested for COVID-19 every 2 weeks. The initial round of testing occurred last week, and I am pleased to report that all tests have come back negative. The next round of testing will occur in late July. Please know that we understand the desire of many to return to a sense of normalcy. In this community, however, that may take some time. It appears the virus will be with us for a while, so we will endeavor to continue to work to limit risk while also being cognizant of the other needs of the community. As we serve here at Advent Christian Village, we know there is a blend of faith and works. We seek wisdom from our Heavenly Father as we endeavor to make wise choices for the protection and betterment of Advent Christian Village. We do that understanding and acknowledging that ultimately God is in control. And I ask that you continue to join us in praying for His protection and blessing. Thank you for cooperating during this challenging time. As always, for questions pertaining to your particular situation, contact your service coordinator. Our next scheduled update will be Friday, July 17th.